Stop wasting money on the wrong Tesla. Tires, range versus treadwear versus noise. Every Tesla owner faces the same three-way decision when replacing tires: range, treadwear longevity, or cabin noise. Pick the wrong priority, and you are either replacing tires every 20,000 miles, losing 10 to 20 miles of range every day, or listening to road noise that turns every highway drive into an endurance test. Here is exactly how to make the right choice for your situation. 2 things every Tesla owner needs to understand about tire choice before the comparison. Rolling resistance accounts for 10% or more of total energy consumption on an EV. On a gas car, that percentage is small enough most owners never notice. On a Tesla, where every kilowatt-hour shows in your efficiency numbers, the wrong tire appears immediately in your watt-hours per mile figure. Owners switching to efficient EV-specific tires often see 5 to 10% more range. On a 300-mile rated car, that is 15 to 30 additional miles per charge from a tire swap alone. Road noise matters more on a Tesla than any other vehicle because there is no engine sound to mask tire hum. Tesla's own documentation confirms that tires without acoustic foam can increase noise, vibration, and harshness by up to 10%. On a long highway drive, that difference is the gap between a genuinely quiet cabin and tire drone that exhausts you over 3 hours. The range priority tires are the right choice for owners who regularly drive close to their rated range or want to maximize efficiency on long trips. The Hankook ION EVO AS is the strongest range performer, with independent testing showing it was 18% more efficient than OEM Pirelli PZ4 tires on a Model 3 Performance and 10% more efficient than Michelin PS4S tires on the same car. One owner averaged 207 watt-hours per mile over a 223-mile trip at 61 miles per hour on these tires, an exceptional efficiency figure. The ION EVO AS carries a 600 treadwear rating and a 50,000-mile warranty, so you are not sacrificing longevity for efficiency. However, the wet weather caveat from your comment section cannot be ignored. Multiple owners reported serious wet traction concerns with the Hankook ION EVO AS specifically. One owner fitted them to a Model S and Model X and reported understeer on roundabouts at relatively low speeds that was not present on previous Continental tires. Multiple others confirmed poor wet performance compared to Pirelli alternatives. If you live in a high rainfall climate, this caveat changes the recommendation entirely. The Michelin E-Primacy is consistently ranked among the lowest rolling resistance tires in independent testing, with strong dry and wet braking. If pure range maximization is your single priority and wet weather performance matters, the E-Primacy is the safer choice than the Hankook for rain-heavy markets. Who should prioritize range? Owners regularly driving 80% or more of rated range between charges, long-distance commuters, and anyone who noticed efficiency drop after a recent tire change. The treadwear priority tires are the right choice for owners burned by short tire life. One owner reported barely 20,000 miles from OEM Goodyear Eagle F1s on a Model Y long range. Another confirmed 26,000 miles on the same tire. Those results reflect a real pattern. OEM performance tires prioritize grip and low rolling resistance over compound longevity, and on a 4,400-pound car with instant torque, they wear faster than most owners expect. The Michelin CrossClimate 2 leads this category with a 9.1 treadwear score in independent testing, 3 Peak Mountain Snowflake winter certification, and a proven track record across 48 million reported miles. It handles instant Tesla torque delivery better than almost any tire in its class. One owner in comments reported a Pirelli P0 PZ4 T1 front tire lasting 100,000 kilometers on a Model Y, demonstrating what the right compound combined with regular rotation can achieve on an EV. The Bridgestone Turanza EV is the strongest value pick in this category. One owner found it at Costco for $218 per tire with a 70,000-mile guarantee, one of the strongest treadwear warranties available for an EV-specific tire at that price. The Continental All-Season Contact 2 also came up repeatedly in comments as a strong recommendation, particularly for European owners, where it is widely available and consistently rated for durability. Who should prioritize treadwear? High annual mileage owners, anyone who has replaced tires before 30,000 miles and found it unacceptable, and performance model owners whose torque delivery is hardest on compounds. The noise priority tires are the right choice for owners who spend significant time on highway and find road noise the most fatiguing part of long drives. The Pirelli Scorpion AS+3 leads this category with a 9.1 comfort score in independent testing, crossover-specific tread blocks that minimize cavity resonance, and a 9.4 dry rating confirming handling does not suffer for silence. Multiple owners in comments confirmed Pirelli as a clear improvement over Hankook, specifically for wet weather and overall refinement, which makes the Scorpion AS+3 a strong choice for owners who want quiet and safe simultaneously. The Bridgestone Turanza EV appears again here because it combines EV-specific engineering with sound-damping technology that keeps cabin noise low even on coarse surfaces. It is one of the few tires that scores competitively in both treadwear and noise categories simultaneously, making it the closest thing to a do-everything tire on this list. One owner specifically advised against tires with foam. Tesla's official position is the opposite, that tires without acoustic foam can increase noise by up to 10%. The independent testing consensus is that foam liners reduce high-frequency noise on smooth surfaces but deliver less benefit on coarse concrete, where low-frequency resonance dominates. If your daily commute is primarily rough surfaces, foam liners matter less than the tread pattern itself. Who should prioritize noise? Owners doing significant highway mileage, anyone with a quiet commute where road noise dominates, and Model S and Model X owners where the premium cabin makes road noise more perceptually intrusive. The wet weather situation deserves its own conclusion because safety sits above all three of the other priorities. The Uniroyal Rain Sport 5 was specifically called out as outstanding in wet conditions on a Model 3 SR+. The Continental All-Season Contact 2 was praised as the best option by multiple European owners, specifically for wet grip. If you live in a high rainfall climate, wet traction should sit above range, treadwear, and noise in your priority order, regardless of what any other metric shows. The decision framework comes down to 4 owner types. If range is your top priority and you are in a dry climate, choose the Hankook ION Evo S. The 18% efficiency advantage over OEM Pirelli is the largest documented range gain from a tire swap in this category, and the 50,000-mile warranty means longevity is not a sacrifice. If range is your priority, but you drive in rain regularly, choose the Michelin E-Primacy. It gives up a small efficiency margin compared to the Hankook, but keeps you safe in wet conditions, where the Hankook has documented real-world problems. If treadwear is your top priority, choose the Michelin Cross Climate 2 for the best combination of longevity, all-season capability, and EV torque resistance. Choose the Bridgestone Turanza EV if budget matters and you want a strong treadwear warranty at a lower price point. If noise is your top priority, choose the Pirelli Scorpion AS+3. It leads the comfort category in testing, and the real-world owner feedback on refinement is consistently strong. Drop your model, your current tires, and your mileage in the comments. If you have found a tire that solved a specific problem on your Tesla, that information is genuinely useful for every owner watching. And if you want to keep getting practical advice like this, hit subscribe. I will see you in the next one.